If you are following along on my YouTube channel, or I think I posted on here too, I was saying that with the heat spell coming, I was going to leave the seedlings and the seeds I'm trying to germinate in the greenhouse with a fan on them, or in the garden, in the shade of the garden. But now our forecast is up to 105, and my husband said his is showing 107. So I went out to test the soil of the seedlings, and it's 100 degrees, the soil. I just decided to stop being stubborn and bring them in the house during this 4 to 5 day heat spell that we're having. There's no sense in killing them over me trying to just keep it outside. So if you're following along, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna bring them inside for the heat week, and then I'll bring them back outside. But everything is looking really good. My seedlings that are up, I am going to try to leave, well, not try, I will. I'm going to leave them in the greenhouse or in the shade of the garden. But my seeds that are trying to germinate, with that temperature of the soil being 190, 100 degrees, it's so hot. So I'll bring the seeds that are trying to germinate inside, leave the seedlings outside. I hope that makes sense.